In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to make a face paint basketball for boys, girls, and anyone who loves sports. For the easy face paint basketball tutorial, you will need sponges, a detail brush, black and orange paint, and I'm using the Maron Paradise paint palette, and you're gonna need water. We're gonna start off by spraying the Maron paint, specifically orange and black, the two colors we're gonna use. We're gonna let that soak, and now we're going to rip up a sponge so there's no harsh straight lines, and it'll be easier to blend the paint, and it just makes everything a whole lot easier. With that sponge, we're going to take the orange paint and in a dabbing motion, spread it in a circle shape, and this is going to be your basketball for your face paint. Next, you're going to want to take your detail brush, and with the black Maron paint, you're going to want to create the outline of your basketball face paint. Once you're done with that, you can create the three lines and then the big middle line, or whatever order you decide to go into. If you mess up on an outline, say you smudged it a little bit, you can just take a baby wipe or makeup remover wipe and just slightly wash that paint away, and you can start over and nobody will notice. If you want to add some more action to the picture, you can add some black lines like I did, or you can put like a flame on the basketball. You can basically do whatever you want. It's your artwork and it's your choice. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this, and leave a like, and we will see you guys in the next video.